Hey. So this is another check-in for my orchid. It's been almost 3 weeks since I last updated. As you know, this orchid been blooming since 2021 of April. So that is over 3 years continuously. I think the last update, we have some flower here, now they all gone. But the little bud is still doing really well. I don't know if you can see it. And so to check in, and we have some at the tip. Here that I haven't seen any movement for a while, but it's holding strong, and of course a lovely flower, it blooming, doing well. So this here, but we also have an infestation of the little white bug. So I've been kind of cleaning them. I don't know, you can see in here the little white thing there, dark area. So usually, if you see my last few video, I just do a solution of water and just a few drop of this soap, and I'm using a brush, and then I go into all the nook and cranny and clean it up one by one. And then I also check underneath all my leaf to see it. And get this, I have a surprise for you. So they focus. So as I check in the leaf, cleaning up underneath, so you see there is a new flower stem, not a root like these, but it's actually another flower stem like this. It's coming up. So that's it. I hope you enjoy that, and remember to be kind to yourself. And this is what I do. I be kind to myself and be kind to my plant, say nice word and show gratitude, express my gratitude to it, that it brings me so much pleasure and enjoyment to see them bloom. It brings peace and contentment to me, so it rewards me with more beautiful things. Oh, and the other thing is, one of the tricks I learned from a botanical staff. I asked, we have a botanical garden here called the Allen Garden, which is free public garden in the middle of downtown Toronto. And I asked the staff what are the best way to maintain an orchid a few years back, and the advice they gave me was orchid love warm day and cold night. So warm day, cold night. And yeah, so a lot of people say it shouldn't get full sunlight. My orchid get full sunlight in the daytime, as you can see. So the sun in the afternoon, it like directly shine on it. And yeah, look at these bloom for a long time. It's been many months now, and even this it's been blooming for at least 6 months. I need 6 months or more, and I have new buzz coming out from them as well. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the update, and talk to you soon. Ciao.